Ever wondered how the clothes you wear are born? Today, we'll go inside real textile factories and uncover every step, from raw fibre to finished garment. This is where the journey begins, the massive textile production line that powers fashion, uniforms and everyday wear across the world. Raw materials arrive first: cotton, wool, silk or synthetic fibres like polyester and nylon, each destined for a specific type of fabric. The fibres are fluffed and opened up, separating compressed cotton to make it ready for cleaning. Specialised blowers and beaters remove seeds, leaves and dust, ensuring fibres are perfectly clean before spinning. Blending machines mix different fibre types and qualities, balancing strength, softness and elasticity for the desired fabric texture. The process starts with bale opening, feeding uniform fibre layers into the production line for consistent yarn quality. Carding machines align thousands of loose fibres into soft, continuous slivers, the foundation of every yarn. Carding not only straightens fibres, but also removes short or weak ones, leaving only strong, uniform strands. These soft ropes of fibres, called slivers, are ready for drawing, where they'll gain even more strength and consistency. Drawing combines several slivers into one, ensuring smooth, balanced fibre distribution before spinning. At the roving stage, fibres are slightly twisted to form compact strands, ready for the high-speed spinning process. Spinning machines twist rovings into strong, continuous yarn. This is where the textile truly begins to take shape. Each cone of yarn is wound precisely for uniform tension. Automation ensures zero variation in yarn thickness. Quality control starts early. Every lot of yarn is checked for evenness, colour and tensile strength. Once yarns are approved, they move to the next stage, fabric manufacturing through weaving or knitting. The rhythmic sound of looms fills the hall, thousands of threads interlacing to form continuous fabric sheets. Advanced looms now use air or water jets instead of shuttles, producing smoother, faster fabric output. The warp threads run lengthwise, while the weft threads are woven across. Every crossing creates strength and structure. Computerized control ensures every metre of fabric maintains uniform density and tension. No human error allowed. This raw fabric, called grey cloth, is ready for finishing, still untouched by colour or pattern. Next, the fabric heads to wet processing, where it's washed, bleached, dyed and finished for texture and look. The first step is scouring, removing natural waxes, oils and impurities from the cloth surface. Singeing eliminates stray fibres, giving fabrics a smooth, clean finish before dyeing. Bleaching removes any remaining colour and preps the fabric to absorb dye evenly. Now comes the transformation. Pure white fabric becomes colourful and vibrant through reactive or dispersed dyes. Every colour needs exact conditions. Even 1 degree off can change the shade entirely. Excess dye is removed to ensure consistent colouring and reduce waste. Precision matters in every metre. For pattern designs, rotary and digital printers apply exact motifs onto the fabric surface. Each design is inspected manually, because even with automation, human eyes catch the smallest flaws. Fabrics are then dried under controlled heat to set colours permanently. Now comes finishing. Fabrics can be made water-repellent, wrinkle-free or extra soft, depending on their final use. Softening treatment gives cotton that gentle, skin-friendly feel we love in daily wear. Some fabrics are finished with fire-resistant coatings, used in uniforms, upholstery or industrial gear. These finished rolls are now ready to be transformed into garments, the next stage of the journey. Fabric travels to specialised apparel factories where cutting, stitching and detailing begin. Inside the garment floor, precision begins again. Fabric layers are carefully spread to prepare for cutting. Automated spreaders ensure every layer aligns perfectly, no wrinkles, no miscuts. CNC cutters slice hundreds of fabric layers at once, guided by digital garment patterns. Every piece is sorted, bundled and labelled, ready for stitching assembly. Pattern markers control how each part fits, optimising fabric usage and reducing waste. Cut bundles move to the stitching section, where garments finally take shape. Rows of skilled operators stitch collars, cuffs and seams with mechanical precision. Each stitch follows a programmed path, uniform, strong, and flawless. Automated embroidery units add branding, logos, and intricate decorative designs. Thousands of needles move in sync, transforming plain fabric into fashion. Assembly lines complete the structure, attaching zippers, buttons, and trims accurately. Quality teams test stitch strength to ensure every seam can handle real-world wear. Once sewn, the garments go through washing and finishing to achieve final texture and look. Washing removes dust, threads, and adds softness, preparing garments for final finishing. Hot air dryers tumble garments to achieve consistent shrinkage and smooth feel. Pressing units give each piece its crisp, showroom-ready appearance. Some garments receive chemical finishes for durability, fragrance, or anti-crease effects. Every piece now moves through rigorous quality inspection. Inspectors verify size accuracy. Even a millimetre off is flagged. Colour fastness tests ensure fabrics look identical under sunlight and indoor light. Labels, seams and trims are checked by hand. No compromise on precision. Defective pieces are repaired or reworked to meet export-grade quality. Approved garments move to packaging, where presentation meets perfection. Folding machines handle garments delicately, ensuring uniform presentation. Tags and inserts are added, carrying brand identity and product info. Automated sealers pack garments in airtight poly bags for protection. Packed garments are boxed, labelled by size, style and destination. Barcodes and tracking tags are attached, linking each carton to inventory systems. Warehouse automation organises hundreds of cartons in precise storage zones. Digital tracking ensures every order is traceable, from factory to fashion store. Logistics begins. Trucks line up to transport bulk shipments worldwide. Each container holds thousands of finished garments bound for ports. From factories to ports, the textile supply chain stretches across continents. Customs clearance confirms every export meets international standards. Shipments travel thousands of miles, carrying the results of global craftsmanship. At destination ports, the same cartons arrive for sorting and distribution. Regional centres handle sorting for brands, retailers and e-commerce platforms. Before reaching stores, garments are checked once more for display readiness. Finally, each piece reaches the showroom, where it meets its buyer. Every shirt, dress or jacket hides a long journey, from fibre to fashion. What started as cotton fluff now lives as comfort and style. Behind every garment lies the unseen effort of thousands of skilled hands. As the day ends, the process resets, ready to weave, spin and sew again tomorrow. From raw fibre to finished garment, this is how textiles shape the world we wear.